Ladies and gentlemen, as Omni Airlines consider your safety to be of the utmost consideration, may we have your attention while the cabin crew demonstrates the safety features of this Airbus A320 aircraft. To fasten your seatbelt, push the ends together. To tighten, pull loose end of the strap. To loosen, tilt buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. If you are with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen mask will drop from above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Pull over the nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on before assisting them. Your life vests are found under your seat or in the middle of your armrest. On a water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Sleep vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push ends to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down the red tags sharply. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes. Push inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when battery is emerged. The emergency exits are clearly marked through the cabin. Locate exits near you. Emergency lights and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please read the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. May we remind you that all electrical items must not be used during takeoff and landing. Once again, welcome to Omni Airlines.